Hi, this is Stephanie Thompson with KTE. Here's my vision board. So I essentially sought out the Inland Empire Women's Business Center, and I thought it would be an incredible experience for me as an entrepreneur. By trade, I'm a teacher, and so one of the things that have really been central to my life is developing a career. And I have not, since learning about economics in college and acquiring my education license and my master's degree, I've decided to also learn how to trade. Along with that, I've also looked into a wellness business. And so those are the two businesses that I'm focusing on now. I've taken a pause or sabbatical from my teaching career and focused on my husband and my children. We have 3 girls. And so my career, although still very essential to my life, is developing and manifesting in different ways. So I really enjoy trading and looking at the market and studying economic conditions of people all over the world and how that impacts currency. In terms of wealth, I think it's really important that we break intergenerational impoverishment in terms of mindset and in terms of material. I also think that health is central to being able to even do those things. So I do my best to continue to eat right and eat clean, exercise on a regular basis. My children have a trampoline. They love a trampoline. So one of my goals and my vision is to make enough money in my business to buy my children a new trampoline. We gave it away when we moved to California from Colorado. And here's my family. That's my husband. I'm not sure why it's so blurry. My husband on the right, William, and our 3 daughters. We have a freshman, a 4th grader, and a kindergartner. And we like to travel around the U.S., but I'd like for us to one day visit Belize or somewhere in West Africa. We have, I found out from my dad that we have Nigerian heritage. In terms of lifestyle, I think it's really important for us to reclaim our time. One of the driving factors of establishing a business was for me to reclaim my time. I was teaching and coaching, and by the time I got home, I was spending maybe an hour with my children, and that really bothered me on a deeper level, especially during COVID. I was able to teach through COVID and was really distracted at home because I had to focus on work. And so being able to develop a successful business is going to give us the freedom that we need and the lifestyle near the beach that we like. Living in California has given us a new appreciation for the beach. In terms of hobbies, I also love art and I love dancing. So those 2 things are like close to my heart. I love face painting. I love acrylic painting. I love self-care. I love dancing, Zumba. All of my daughters like to dance. We have a blast. Pretty often we blast the music and have dance parties. The other thing is knowledge, loving to read. I think reading is central. Leaders are readers, and I just want to one day have a huge library just like this in the picture with books everywhere. And hopefully I have personally read them all. One of the things that I think really keeps everyone going is love. And I hope that we can continue to love one another, love our neighbor, love our community, love our nation, love our friends and family all over the globe. And this is my vision board. Again, this is Stephanie Thompson. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to share.